Today we will start exercise 1.3, and the question number 1 is that prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Means we have to prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Then what to do? At first, suppose on the contrary. Okay, contrary means what? Completely different or opposite. Okay, on the contrary, root 5 is a rational number. Root 5 is a rational number. Means we suppose here that root 5 is rational. Means we completely different we suppose. Root 5 is a rational number. We have to prove that what? Root 5 is an irrational number. If it is a rational number, then we can denote this one or represent this one in the form of PQ. Okay, then what? Let root 5 is equal to, we can represent it in the form of P by Q. Okay, then consider this is A and this is B. Now, where A and B are integers and co-prime, where A and B are integers and co-prime. What is the meaning of the term co-prime? Co-prime means the number of pair which has the HCF 1. Except 1, there is no common factor. For example, 3 and 5. Okay, then this is the pair of number. Both has only one common factor. This is 1. For example, 5 and 7. This is also one pair. What is that common factor of this one? 1. Then this is called the co-prime. Means pair of number which has only one common factor or HCF, that is 1 only. Then that is called the co-prime. And this is what? Rational number. Okay, then rational number means what? And quotient. Okay, means B is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0. Now we have to simplify. Then squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then this is root 5 bracket square is equal to A by B bracket square. If we simplify this one, then what is the square of root 5? Root 5 multiplied by root 5 means only 5 is equal to, what you will get? This square for A and B both. A and B both. Okay. Now change the sign. B square is equal to A square divided by 5. A square divided by 5. Okay. If you want, then make the box over this one, give this one 1. Okay, then what is the conclusion about this one? Here A square is divisible by 5. So A is also divisible by 5. Okay, A square is divisible by 5. It means A is also divisible by 5. For example, okay, if we take here 2 is divided by 2. Okay, then 2 1 is 2. Okay, square of 2 means 4 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, like that. For example, any number you will consider 7 by 7. Okay, then you can easily cut 7 1 is 7. Now square of 7 is what? 49. Then this is also divisible by 7. Then same. Here A square is divisible by 5. It means A is also divisible by 5. Now, okay, then this one, give this one, this is the conclusion. A is divisible by 1. And this is conclusion number 2. Now consider A is equal to 5m. Okay, you can take any that alphabet, M, N, P, Q, R, anyone, whatever you want. Okay, then A is equal to 5m. Then put, and if you want, write here for some integer m. Okay, we taken here m, then for some integer m. Okay, then put this value in equation number 1. Then b square is equal to, instead of a square, what we write, 5m bracket square divided by 5. Simplify. 5m square means what? 25 m square divided by 5. 5 1 is, and this is 5 5 1. It means what? b square is equal to 5m square. 5m square. Okay, now change the side. For some integer we consider m square. Then this is m square. b square divided by 1. Okay, if you want, then this is implies to m square is equal to what? b square by 1. Okay, this is third. Okay, then what is the meaning of this one? Here b square is divisible by 5. So b is also divisible by 5. b is also divisible by 5. Okay, b is also divisible by 5. Same. Okay, then here this is 5. If you want, then give this one 4. Then what is the conclusion here? We consider here a and b are what? Integers and coprime. Coprime means a and b both has HCF only 1. Okay, what is given here? A has common factor 5 also, b has also 5, means except 1 it has another factor. Except 1 it has another factor. If it has another factor, means it is not coprime. If it has another factor, means it is not coprime. And if it is not coprime, means our assumption is what? Wrong. So our this is contradiction. Contradiction means opposite. Contradiction means the opposite of our supposition. This is contradiction with our supposition. With our supposition that A and B are coprime. A and B are coprime. Why? Because A and B both has 5 is common factor. Common factor. Okay. Because it is coprime, then we need common factor only 1. But A and B both has the common factor is another one, that is 5. It means what? This is contradiction. Okay. If it is contradiction, means what? This is not rational number. This is not rational number. Then what we can write? Therefore, if you want to write therefore root 5 is an irrational number. Irrational